الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Good morning, everyone. My name is Abdurrahim. I study in UT, Faculty of Mechanical Engineering, under Prof. Dr. Sitti Hajar and Prof. Dr. Noor Zaid. Today I will be represent a research proposal titled Reducing Energy Consumption through the Terminal Insulation, a Libyan building or brief sector. Reduce energy consumption through the terminal insulation in Libyan. This presentation outlines a research proposal focused in the optimizing terminal insulation thickness for building walls in Libya. The study addresses are the needed to reduce energy consumption in building and improve internal comfort. By Abdurrahim. The title is of research proposal. First of all, introduction and problem statement. Second, research object and scopes. Hypothesis and research question. Lecture review, actually about the terminal insulation in Libya. Critical point and the future research direction. Research methodology and expected outcomes. Finally, conclusion and recommendation. Preference. Introduction and problem statement. Energy demand in the building. Building consumes about 38% of global energy, mainly for heating, cooling, ventilation, and lighting. Uh, climate change in Libya. External climate variation are reliance on mechanical system increase the energy uses and costs. Many buildings like adapt climate specific insulation. Insulation optimization needed. Balanced insulation thickness is critical to avoid wasted investment or excessive energy consumption. Simulation based optimization is limited in hot. Research object and scope. Research object review terminal insulation material, develop heat transfer simulation model, analyze insulation performance using MATLAB, assess the climate and material impact on insulation, create insulation materials database. It's a very important point about this, get a database about the thickness and type of materials of insulation to help the another engineering to get directly information about insulation and thickness. Research scope focus on the insulation thickness for various wall structure in Libya, considered climate condition and insulation material with one-dimensional heat transfer. Hypothesis and research question. Hypothesis optimizing thermal insulation thickness in Libya building reduce the energy consumption, lower cost, and supports especially without excessive. The research question. First question, what is the optimum insulation thickness? Second, how do insulation material affect the energy performance? Is the impact climate of ventilation? What are the costs and breaks of materials and thickness? Lecture review. Actually, about the thermal insulation in Libya. First of all, optimizing insulation by climate zone. This is study of 33 Libyan climate zone showed the terminal reduced the CO2 emissions by 85%. Proposed material and passive measure. The local materials like cheap wood and data palm fiber combined with the passive design reduce the heat and cooling loads by 20%. Economic equivalent, energy saving strategy, general impact. Thermal insulation is about comfort and energy efficiency across building types and location. Critical point and future research direction, methodology limitation, analytic model needed to evaluate and update to ensure accuracy, climate change consideration. Research is needed to long time, insulation, prevent unmade change weather, policy and behavior influencing. Future study should expect government influence regulation affecting insulation adoption. Then research methodology and expected outcomes. Methodology develop mathematical models and simulation using MATLAB to analyze heat transfer and insulation performance under the various conditions. Expected outcome, optimal insulation thickness for Libyan building, simulation model forcing energy saving, quantitative energy reduction static, cost benefit analysis of insulation option, policy recommendation for established. Finally, conclusion and recommendation. Effective thermal insulation is essential to reduce the energy consumption, lower cost, improve comfort, and support sustainability in Libyan building. Uh, this research aims to provide optimized solution supported by simulation and economic analysis. Key references included studies and insulation optimization, budget materials, economic equivalent, and energy saving strategy. Interrogate technical. Finally, I hope thank you about your listening and your time. Okay.